everyone, welcome back to the Lipstickholics YouTube channel. I'm Huda Naveed and I'm here today with an amazing video for you girls. Yes, I know this is officially the Shadi season in Pakistan. Many of you girls requested me to do a gold sort of makeup, especially for attending weddings. So here I am today with this blingy look and these accessories. So let's just get to the tutorial to see how I achieved this look. Okay, so I have already applied my foundation and primer, and the foundation that I have used is Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation in Fleur, and the primer is Artdeco Skin Perfecting Makeup Base. Next, I'm applying LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural as an eye base, and I'm blending it using Sigma Beauty 3D HD Precision Brush. Taking this dark brown shade from Morphe 35F eyeshadow palette, I'm going to gently apply it on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it. The brush that I'm using for this step is Sigma Beauty E38 Diffused Crease Brush. Taking the same color on the same brush, I'm applying it on the inner corner of my eye now. I'm blending the color all the way into my crease now and will keep blending it for a smooth look. Repeat the same on the other eye and make sure to blend it all very well. Taking this beautiful burgundy sort of shimmery color from Morphe 35F palette once again, I'm going to gently apply and pack it on the outer corner of my eyes. To apply this, I'm using Sigma Beauty E32 Exact Blend brush. Now applying the same color in the inner corner of my eyes, making sure to gently pat it for maximum color payoff and less fallout. Taking the Sigma Beauty Diffused Crease brush again, I'm gently blending the colors together and blending any harsh lines. You can use any of your favorite blending brushes for this step, but my favorite brush has to be Sigma Beauty E38 Diffused Crease brush, which gives such a nice blended diffused look. Now I'm taking LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in shade Natural on RT Detailer brush and I'm applying it on the center of my lids. Make sure to blend the concealer well equally so the eyeshadow applies perfectly on it. Now taking this gorgeous gold shade from Morphe 35F palette once again on Sigma Beauty E32 Exact Blend brush, I'm gently packing the shade on the center of my eyelids where I applied the concealer, as you can see. Applying the concealer like that makes the center color pop out more, as you can see in the look. As we know, blending is the key, so I'm blending any harsh line or edges using Sigma Beauty E45 now. Once again, taking Sigma Beauty E38 Diffused Crease brush to blend the colors in my crease and the outer corner. Now I'm taking this shimmery white shade from Morphe 35F palette once again and I'm applying it lightly in the center of my eyelids to make the gold color pop out a bit more. Using my fingers in tapping motion to gently blend the shade here. I'm applying the same white shimmery shade in the inner corner of my eyes now. quickly did my brows using Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade Dark Brown. It's time to line the eyes, and I'm using Color Studio Pro Kohl Addict pencil in black. You can use gel liners or liquid liners instead of pencil, but I find pencils more convenient and easy to use. Now it's time to add some false lashes, and today I'm using these gorgeous lashes that I've got from AliExpress. Highlighting my brow bones using the same shimmery white shade from Morphe 35F that I applied in the inner corner of my eyes and the center of my eyelid. Taking the Sigma Beauty E15 flat definer brush, I'm going to apply that burgundy sort of shade and gold shade on the lower part of my eyes. Using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade C6 to hide my dark circles and to clean out any mess or fallout from eyeshadow application. To blend the concealer, I'm using Sigma Beauty 3D HD Precision Brush. You can use any of your favorite brushes or sponge or even your fingers to do this. Now I'm applying Makeup Obsession Banana Powder C111 and I'm applying it all over my face and under my eyes using a RT buffing brush. For contouring my cheekbones, I'm using the darkest shade from Artdeco Most Wanted Contouring Palette. I'm now using Masarrat Misbah Stay On Blusher in shade Satin Apricot, which is a gorgeous peachy coral sort of shade. Time for my favorite step, that is applying highlighter, and for this look I'm using ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in shade Wisp. Love the glow this highlighter provides and how beautifully it blends into the skin. On my lips, I'm applying LA Girl Matte Flat Pigment Lip Gloss in shade Fleur. And lastly, using Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Spray to fix and set my makeup look. Completing the wedding guest look with some traditional jewelry and accessories. Whether you're a bride's friend or groom's cousin, you can flaunt this look at any wedding easily. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to leave your lovely comments and tell me what you think about this look and this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You'll be seeing me in another video on the Lipstick Holic's YouTube channel very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.